Buenos días a todos, espero que estén bien. Vamos a ver lo que tenemos que hacer para esta semana, que estamos ya en el módulo 4, pero vamos a ver las fechas límites para este semestre. Si vamos aquí a la sección de Important Due Dates, vemos que ya estamos en el módulo 4. Nos falta hacer la presentación oral 2, el peer feedback de la presentación oral 2, luego también la composición 2, el borrador y la versión final, igual las actividades que tenemos en VHL cada sábado antes de la medianoche. Para este sábado, este domingo, el 7 de abril, antes de la medianoche, tenemos que hacer la presentación oral 2 en Voice 3. Luego, una semana después, tenemos que hacer el peer feedback de la presentación oral, igual en la misma noche, el rough draft de la composición, el borrador, digamos, y la siguiente semana, pasado 2 semanas, tenemos que hacer el final draft. ¿Ok? So here's the due dates for what we have coming up in Module 4. If we go to our table of contents, we have Module 4 here. And this tells you the overview of what we're going to be doing. We have 2 oral presentations. This will be our second one. Remember, it does need to be 5 minutes long. You should have at least 5 PowerPoint slides. It should be in Spanish. The slides should contain images related to your presentation and no more than 2 sentences each. And then here is our topic that has already been posted. I will be looking that you use the past and present tenses, past subjunctive and conditional, as well as present subjunctive throughout your presentation. Okay, also remember that a week after you post, you need to do your peer feedback. It needs to be oral and in Spanish. You do need to respond to 2 classmates' videos. One can be your partner, one can be someone else. If your partner does not post a presentation, just comment on someone else's. We also have our composition. It will be, again, 350 words. The rough draft will be completed through quizzes, and it will be available starting Wednesday. The Wednesday before it is due. It is due on the 14th, so it will be available on the 10th. So in a little bit, in like 10 days, it will be available for you. So remember, you'll go here to quizzes. And then in quizzes is where I'm also going to post your feedback, okay? So it's available April 10th, starting at 6 a.m. until April 14th at midnight. Okay, we also have our VHL activities. If you go to our assignment calendar, we have VHL the 7th, 14th, 21st, 28th. And then I don't believe we have any in May, but let me make sure. Yes, so none in May. And then you'll have partner dialogue activities until the 21st. And then the 28th, there should be no partner dialogues. And the 7th, 14th, and 21st will be the last partner dialogues that we're going to have. So this week's partner dialogues, estructura 9.3, ¿qué pasaría? And encuesta de turismo cultura. Remember, here is the icon that indicates whether or not it is a chat. So that's what we have going on for this week. If you guys do have any questions, please let me know.